How to start a jam on Spotify application. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Spotify application. If you don't have your updated version of application, then first of all, update your application before starting a jam on your Spotify. Then launch your Spotify application and open any playlist you have on your device. From there, you will see three dots on that playlist. If you tap on it, then there you will see a lot of options. Among them, you will see Start a Jam option 2. But if you don't see it, then it might not be available in your country. So in this way, you can easily start a jam on Spotify. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.